Hey guys, welcome to Wave Connect. Today I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how you can share your profile, design your profile, and then start networking. So the way it typically works is you have a Wave Smart product, which you can purchase in the store. These can come custom branded or with the Wave logo on them. And by simply tapping them to the back of the phone, and I've mirrored my screen here, by simply doing this, you'll be able to instantly exchange contact information with anyone you meet. You'll be able to share your socials, contact information, videos, images, websites, whether it's your personal website or company website. Now, by simply clicking add content, here you'll have the option to add different pieces of content to your page, such as an about section where you can talk about yourself or your company. You can then add, images, your social media profiles. We have a range of socials you can add, and you can also add links as well to an unlimited amount of websites. Now we do have a pro version where you have access to, more integrations such as Typeform, Google Maps, Teams, embedded videos, files, calendars, all to kind of improve and upgrade your networking. And once your profile is complete, again, all you have to do is simply tap your digital business card to the back of somebody's phone. So it'll be the center back for Android and the top back for iPhone. Now, if you don't have a smart product, you can always click the bottom right corner, and that's the share icon. And you can always exchange information by having somebody scan your QR code or simply download your QR code on your phone and share it that way. So that's how you get started with Wave Connect. Happy to have you guys on board. Stay tuned because we're going to send you some more information on how to utilize Wave at its fullest. And yep, thanks again. See you soon.